Hello friends, in this video I'll give you a walkthrough of the all-in-one marketing tool Sendinblue, which offers CRM, email marketing, marketing automation, SMS marketing, landing pages, form builder and more. At the time of making this video, Sendinblue is on AppSumo Marketplace offering two deals. The lifetime deal, which is at $79, it's providing 10,000 contacts, and the yearly deal, which starts at $89. Last week I made a video on this offer. I hope you must have watched the video. If you haven't, then I'll put a link in the description and you can go ahead and watch. Before moving ahead, I would request you to subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to make more such videos. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome back. Great to see you again. So I purchased this lifetime deal of Sendinblue yesterday and explored the features briefly. And I thought of making a video to show you guys how the dashboard look like, what the features are, and how to get started. So in this video I will show you very briefly on how to set up and what to expect from this tool. A more detailed video will follow in the coming days on creating emails, newsletters, creating landing pages using the templates and more. So this is the dashboard of Sendinblue. You have the onboarding process over here. I've completed the profile form and I can import the contacts and schedule email. You can also skip this step if you want. So on the top header you will find campaigns, automation, transactional, contacts, and if I click on plus sign, then more will be added. On the left side you will see dashboard, email, templates, statistics and settings. So here I'll get started with email campaigns. I'll create a new campaign and you will see the setup of email. The next step is design, then selecting the recipients and then the confirmation. So here I will write the campaign name, Sendinblue deal, for example. Subject line, you can add personalization tokens like first name, last name, or anything else that you prefer. Preview text is the text which comes below the subject line. The from name is my email, mail@digitaldoorway.com. The from name is Digital Doorway. You have more advanced options over here wherein you can customize the reply to email. I can type over here mail@digitaldoorway.com. You can customize the to field. You can activate Google Analytics tracking, setting up UTM campaign parameters. You can add a tag, you can add an attachment, you can embed images in the email and more. So in the subject line, you can also A/B test the subject line. If you click here, you can A/B test subject lines and email content. So if I want to test two subject lines, the system will automatically show me which subject line has more open rate. So that way I can optimize my email campaign based on the winning subject line. I'll go back to the previous step. This was about email, creating a new campaign. If I click on automation, then these are the workflows. So this is very similar to the HubSpot workflows, and I've made a lot of videos on HubSpot, especially the workflow feature which is there. The mechanism or the procedure is similar, the concept is the same. So if anybody has opened an email, then you send one email. For those who do not open the emails, then you send another email based on their behavior. Similarly, if somebody subscribed to your contact us form list, then you send him a certain email. Or if he has placed an order, which is the transactional part of the business, then you can send him a confirmation email. Or if he has dropped out of the checkout page, then you can send another email. Send an email, update attribute. For example, if somebody becomes a customer, if he updates an order, then you can update his attribute as a customer. Similarly, you can also add to a certain list when somebody subscribes on any page. So this is about workflows. You can also click here and start setting up or creating your workflows. I'll show you more about this in a separate video altogether. This is taking some time in loading and updating. The next step is the transactional. So here you have the SMTP and AI API settings, etc. Because this is about sending transactional emails which is related to money transactions. The next is the contacts feature. When you click on the contacts feature, automatically on the left you will see the list, the forms and the settings. So you can add a contact So this is my subscription email, so my mail is already added. You can add a single contact, or you can also import contacts using CSV lists, right? So similarly, you have forms which you can embed on your website. So if I want to, I'll just click on add a contact. Let me just show you how to add a single contact. This is uploading a file. So there are two ways: either you upload a file using CSV, XLSS or TXT file, or you can copy paste your contacts. I'm going to exit this. If I click on add a contact, then you can update the email address, last name, first name, mobile number and more. If I click on plus symbol, then you will see the apps and the integrations. Here are different apps. For example, the 9 apps which are available are automation and transactional emails, which are automatically turned on. The other apps are SMS campaigns. Now you'll have to turn these on based on your requirements, and automatically these will start showing up on the top header. You can set up the inbox or the chat and the CRM, which is extremely important. CRM is the heart of any business. Using CRM, you can send one-on-one personalized emails. You can check when he or she has opened an email. So as you can see, when I've activated or turned on chat, inbox and CRM, they have been automatically added over here in the header. Next up is integration. Sendinblue offers a host of integrations which you can use to with native integrations. Natively, you can integrate with ActiveCampaign, Campaign Monitor, Constant Contact, Drip, HubSpot Contacts. Intercom is for chat, MailChimp, MailJet, and more. SurveyMonkey Contacts is for creating surveys. Type of form contacts similar. You can also filter the contacts, the different categories. For example, if I click on sales, then you have 3 integrations. So this is about apps and integrations. So this was a brief video on the Sendinblue dashboard and the features. Like I mentioned, I will make a more detailed video on this so that you guys can get started. And currently, like I said, the Sendinblue deal is on AppSumo Marketplace. I'll put a link of that in the description. I really don't want you guys, especially small business owners or digital marketers, email marketers, even if you're working at some place, you can still buy the tool and keep it with you guys so that it might be useful for you in future. Using the lifetime deal, you don't have to pay a single penny. So that's it about this video. Till the next video, see you.